Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, playing this game. Look at this new game I found. It's called Eat 'Em Up. It has the best graphics ever. Look, I want to be this guy.
All right. Like, what do you do in this game?
Well, I don't really know yet.
Oh, it looks like the battle's starting.
Wow, you're really good at that. The graphics are amazing. Thanks. It's 2 players. Do you want to play with me? Yeah.
Made the game.